The music just turns me on.
It's FFK. I say Tokyo, Japan. Just got fitted, so I'm feeling like the man. AKA be the gang, fresh whip from a can. Got a new bitch, she a fiend for the cam. I say Tokyo, Japan. Just got fitted, so I'm feeling like the man. AKA be the gang, fresh whip from a can. Got a new bitch, she a fiend for the cam. The plug is Japanese, imported overseas. See the keys are with my wallet.
Right, so we got man like Stig. What are you telling me, my guy? Everything good, yeah?
I'm just so lucky to be seeing you again.
Nah, man, this is my pleasure, man. So what do we have here today?
So this is the Subaru Impreza 2010 Pro Drive.
Yeah.
WRX S.
Okay.
And there's only 300 made of these.
Wow. What's the story behind this car? Because obviously if someone's watched your channel, you'd know where you got it from.
Yeah.
But explain to my viewers how you got the car and everything. And
so I've actually bought this car from Copart Salvaged yard as a damaged car, and it was a rare damage. And if you've probably seen the last video, the last couple of videos that I made, this car I've had to get repaired, get new parts for the car, and then that was it. So I actually don't know the last owner. I don't know who had the car.
Yeah.
Literally bought the car from a salvage yard and I've fixed it all up.
yeah, man, it looks great, I must say. Did you get a good deal on it? What was the process like of buying the car and everything? Was it easy? Was it?
Well, I can say that it's my first time buying a car from a salvage yard.
Okay.
So it was a bit interesting for me because I thought it would be a gamble. I thought buying a car from salvage yard, would there be more extra damage or will there be less damage? Is it a bargain or is it not? And I'll be honest, this car has never gave any troubles. It's got literally no faults at all.
Wow.
I just had to change the body panels, body parts, and that was it. The car's running fine. I haven't even serviced the car yet and it runs perfectly fine.
Wow, okay. Yeah.
So the process was, I was bidding online. I was actually watching other people all around the world bidding on the car, and then suddenly I was the last bidder. I won the car, made the payment. I actually took the risk in going there myself and driving the car back and not getting recovered because I had firm conviction that this car will drive back.
Yeah, and it did. It got you. What's the driving experience like? How are you finding it?
So I've only had the car for a couple of weeks, and I'm still getting used to it myself now. And it's a lot of people have said that this generation of Subaru Impreza is a bit overrated, and it's not. It doesn't have that classic aggressive look and aggressive drive. But literally, the car drives. It boosts pretty quick. Faster than I expected, and like it gives that perception where you're not. The car's not going quick, but really the miles per hour just flies through.
Okay.
So,
all right.
It's literally. I just didn't expect the car to be as quick as I thought.
Cool.
So
Awesome, man. Yeah, let's get out of there and test this out. Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome, man. Cool.
Let's do this, MGKG.
Cool, bro. Man like Stig. Let's do it.
Oh god.
Let's do it.
I'm just glad to meet you again.
Oh, of course, man. I'm as I said, we've been talking about this for a while, talking to link up and everything for a while, and I'm glad we actually did it and everything, you know. So import. Getting used to it, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah. No, this is actually UK spec.
Oh, it's UK spec. Oh, it's not even an import. Wow.
This is a UK spec Subaru Impreza.
What's ownership been like then of driving a Subaru? Because obviously this is your first Subaru, as I said, and it's quite a fairly new one. You know, a lot of the other old people, they have the old GC8 like shapes and all the saloon, you know, the WRX STIs. And what's it been like?
So this is the last edition of Subaru Impreza.
With the hatchback, right?
The hatchback. Yeah, it's not going to be another one after this. So I think a lot of people said that this Subaru is not the best, or it's a family car. It's a normal car, not a rally car. Yeah. And I just thought, you know what, it's a decent price. Let me acquire this car and let me see if it's true or false. Yeah. And exactly. And ever since I've had the car now, you know what, it's wrong. This car is an animal. Yeah. This car is a beast.
What's mileage? It's a bit of a weird question to ask with the Subaru, but what's mileage been like? Like how often are you at the petrol station?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's always the question that gets everybody. Yeah.
So this car is actually, I'm not gonna say it's good, because it is. It literally spends all your money.
Yeah.
It's a money pit, as they say. So miles per gallon, you can see right there, it does 21 miles per gallon.
Oh yeah, that's
average.
I tell you what, that's not as bad as I've seen.
Really?
Yeah, I mean my car does 22.
Yeah.
So
it says that, but it actually, I don't know. when I drive it literally, I'm at the petrol station.
Yeah.
2-3 times a day.
Oh.
Literally.
I don't know if I could do that.
So yeah, the 5-speed one.
Yeah. So do they come in 6-speed as well?
STI.
STIs come in 6-speed.
So you got the Subaru Impreza WRX STI.
Yeah,
this
that's
is
the top of the range.
Yeah,
though,
top of the range, literally the top dog. And this is the one below the STI. So this is the WRX S Pro Drive. So it's one below it, and then the one below that is the WRX.
Okay.
Which is the one that's cheap, but it's still beast.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have the 6-speed, and it doesn't have the wide body, so it doesn't look as beasty as it looks. But
actually, I'll tell you what, it's quite smooth for being a rally car, and it's quite comfortable as we cruise around it.
Yeah.
What tires are you running right now? Do you know about that? What tires?
These are actually Pirellis.
Yeah, Pirellis.
And some of them. They're all odd, so you got Michelin's and Pirellis.
Okay, alright. That's gonna
yeah.
anger a couple people, but you know, with the feature of this car, yeah.
I've just got this car, so I'm gonna be working more on this car. I'm gonna get more things for this car. I'm gonna get new rims, new tires, and so on. So that's what you do as car enthusiast.
Yeah, as a car, yeah, cool. Good.
Do you see how this car runs?
Yeah, man. Yeah, do some spirit driving, do the thing.
Alright, then let's go.
Oh yeah. It's a really smooth power delivery. Man, like it's Stig.
Yeah, this is funny thing. And like, the weirdest thing is that it doesn't feel as fast. It is fast.
Yeah.
But keep your eyes.
Mate, I was looking at your speedo just a little bit. I glanced over and I said, "Wow."
It's crazy, isn't it? It shocks me. This car does.
Wow. Obviously you bought it from a salvage yard, so did they tell you is there any motor issues, or was there any issues before that which you sorted out, or is just the body panel at the back?
That the only is running and driving. That's what it said, that it runs and drives. And the only issue was just the back panel, bumper that needs to be changed, the reinforcement. Okay. So I've done that. Yeah. I mean, when I seen the car, it started up literally, and it drove.
I know you drove it. You drove it back on your channel.
Literally, and I just thought, you know what?
I have no idea who would do that. I wouldn't do that personally. I'd get someone to pick it up because I wouldn't. We're gonna get stuck at the wherever you are. It's good. Yeah, it's good. But it feels wow. Wow. I'm excited to drive this. I like this. He's driving like an actual rally driver as well.
Yeah, I've got a lot more to come with this car.
Wow.
That's stock.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is stock as well, and that sound, even though it's stock, that sound is just crazy. And
that's what I'm trying to say with this car. A lot of people are saying like, this car, it's not like the old cars, it's not beasty. Man. But you tell me what you think.
No, man, this car is next level. It's next level, man. Like, and I love the shape of these. That's what I was saying. Like, I know it's a very unpopular opinion, but I love the look of a hatch. The hatchback of this era of Subarus. Yeah. I saw one and I looked at. Obviously, insurance stopped me from getting it because Subaru owners know too much about insurance prices and everything.
The tax on this car is actually almost £600 a year.
Yeah, it's the higher tax band, right? Yeah, I thought so. Yeah. So, miles per gallon, man. Miles per gallon. That's as much as I can say.
Like that.
Yeah, miles per gallon, man. Let's do it.
I'll put the light on so that it comes out better.
No, that's cool, man. Thanks for that.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
Whoa, that pickup is fast. It drives old school, the clutch and everything.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's got such a short throw. It feels like a short shot.
It picks up quick, doesn't it?
Yeah. Whoa. And the way the clutch is it feels heavy for the first initial bit. Yeah. And it's light.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, that pickup is See, this needs a twin turbo. That's the only thing I'd say. It needs that extra oomph because it's nice as it is now.
Yeah.
I think it's maybe because I'm just used to my car. Actually, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
Oh, the brakes are good as well. These standard brakes.
Yeah, everything's
stock. Wow.
I was shocked myself with this car, to be honest.
It's so light.
On steering.
Yeah. It's so light,
and that's what makes it feel like a daily car.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't feel like a rally car.
but it's not like pillowed. Do you know what I mean? Like I can just
chuck it.
Yeah, and it moves. It's light, but it moves. It's nimble. And
you wouldn't expect that in a fast car.
No, what's the weight of these?
Oh, I actually don't know.
Because it feels incredibly light.
You could probably add that as a tech.
Yeah. It just grips, man. Jesus. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you feel like when is it gonna spin or anything like that? Or like that?
Yeah, guys. That's it, really. That's what I got for the video. Man like Hood Stig. Thanks for coming on the channel, man.
I appreciate you coming over to drive this car.
Yeah, of course, man. You fulfill my dreams. But tell them what you've got planned for your channel and everything. And
all I can say is just subscribe to the channel if you've got the time. If you're a Subaru fan, he's got some good knowledge. He has, like, literally, I've learned something. I learned a lot of things from him today, and I really appreciate that. So I think I'm going to be doing more builds about Subaru, probably get an exhaust, probably get some wood flaps, probably do a service video. And the other cars that I've got, the Skyline and the Civic Type R. So if people like Jap cars, you know where to go.
Yeah,
Hood Stig.
This guy is a mad driver. He is. I feel safe, but you're a great driver. That's what I'm gonna say. One of the best drivers I've been in their car. Amazing driver, amazing driver,
really
man.
Appreciate that. Thank
but
you.
yeah, like, share, subscribe, guys. I've got mad content still coming your way, and I'm gonna blow up on YouTube before you know. But yeah, that's all I've got, man. But yeah,
nothing but good vibes, I'm telling you.
Thanks, man. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Yeah. Awesome.
Like the